How can you fix the issue called no sound while gaming on your iPhone? So, like if you're playing any game on your iPhone device and you cannot hear that sound, the game sound in your earphones or maybe on your speakers also. Like this, there is a silency in the game sound. How can you solve this issue? So, guys, this is a very simple and a common sense thing that you have to check that if your phone is on silent or not. Like, if your phone is on silent like this, like currently my silent mode is on, so I cannot hear any sound. Also, the internal sound of my mobile phone, like if I'm using game application or I'm using any other application, I cannot hear that sound in my mobile phone if I have switched it on the silent mode. Whenever you will switch off the silent mode, you can already hear the sound and anything happening inside your mobile phone, inside your iPhone. So there is a difference. Just switch on and switch off. Your silent mode will control your internal device sound in your iPhone or the game sound also. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any suggestions, any queries, any confusion about any application or any topic, so just drop it into the comment section. We will try to make a separate video for that. Thank you so much for watching this.